Have you ever had trouble cleaning stains and marks off PVC? Then look no further than iVo SupaFoam. The SupaFoam pads are a brilliant way to have chemical-free cleaning that is extremely effective at cleaning PVC surfaces and cladding. The pads are available for our iVo handheld power brush or the larger XL power brush, as well as the hand-sized pads and even for the extendy holder. This extends up to 1.8 meters, giving you brilliant reach. iVo SupaFoam is to be only used with water, totally chemical free, really fast and effective. Ask us today for your sample pack. You really need to try it out. Move into 2019 with chemical free cleaning.